continuing saga of the computer I found in the street a couple of weeks ago, and I got a wireless PCI card today. Amazingly, it was not in stock because you go to Currys in Britain, they often put things on their website. You go down the shop and it's not there, you have to order it special, so that was in stock. And I got a SanDisk 32GB USB 3 stick because I've got no way to transfer stuff over from one computer to another because I want to use it as an editing rig. And if I'm doing Twitch and whatnot, I have to download it on one machine. I could download it on this one actually, even depends. But I need a way of getting online without messing about. I got a tiny USB thingy. Where is it? And this thing is like really tiny. This is an extender cable, but this is the next thing, and it's like 10 megabits, and it just about manages it. So that's not good enough. So I bought this. I'm going to unbox it, and we can see the thing that I've got. So let's open this. Yeah, let's open it. It's an unboxing as well as a continuation of what I'm doing with the machine. I've actually cleaned it up, I've got it working fine. So claims 300 megabits, I don't think that's necessarily the thing. Said it might need drivers, so there's the telephone. It's got one of those, what do they call these, RFID things in it? Anti-theft. So here it is. Oops, there's something just come out there. We've got something came out. Just a thing. And we've got the actual card. There it is. It's in an anti-static bag. And it's got two different bracket things on it. There we are, just that. And basically you put the antennas or aerials or whatever these are onto the things there. Anything else? Yes, there's another longer or shorter. So if you're using a small computer, small form factor, that will go in there, so I don't need that. And then there's a CD. Hold on a minute. What's this? Oh, we've got, hold on. There's the adapter information, instructions, and one's falling on the floor, it's funny. And I've got a CD-ROM. I still have it. What if you got a computer without a optical? That's quite funny. Wireless drives. I would have thought that's what that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together, and then I shall continue on with the video. And I'll put it in the actual computer, and we'll put that in on the old. I've never had a PCI Express 1 card before. I've got one spare on my one slot spare, so I'll put that in. The rather funny manual how to actually install it. You put it into a slot, and then you install the driver, and then you put it into the you install it, and then you just go online. I mean, it's like you put them on there like this. To it. See, my other machine, my Dell Vostro, has an inbuilt thing like on the laptop where you have a wireless card, and then there's an inbuilt like antenna array inside the case. Do these go up and down? Oh, okay, they go like that. Oh, you can rotate them like that. Okay. A bit stiff. I don't want to break the things here. Okay, so just like that basically. So that'd be the back of the case, like the bunny is, and then that's it basically. Right, so got to take off. Well, the thing is like it's there, so I have to get it into this one, I think, because it's not going to be that one, is it? And often I have to, when I go and try and get things from Currys at least, or in town, rather than going on eBay or Amazon, often they don't have it in stock or they don't have it in store. And they add it in. I thought, oh, I'll have that. This is, oh, is this, hold on a minute. Just check, it's got to go that way up because it doesn't go that way, it goes that way. Things are the wrong way around. These things are like tabs and they have to be broken off, I think, or not. I don't know. Okay. It's got to go. Maybe I shouldn't have put the antennas on then. I don't like the way that goes. They're quite stiff. I'm assuming it goes like that. It's like a bit of a... I've never used a USB PCI Express 1 card ever. That's new to me. So, is it in? Is it in, sir? Yes, it goes. That's about it. Okay. That's pretty much it. I mean, blanking plate. I could put that on because I've got two below that are just silver. So. I don't know why this board doesn't have the actual motherboard doesn't have a, what's it called, one of those laptop type slots, because my Dell one does, and that's not even a gaming rig, but I'll go with that, I think. The doodahs are there, like that. They're not going to be in the way. Oh, there they are. So, can't see. It's about there, so the back of the case there. So yeah. Next thing to do is to just put it on and see if it'll pick up the. See if I get it in, yeah. It's the only one because it's only got one slot on here anyway. That's spare because it's quite a small motherboard. It's a micro ATX. So yeah, we'll put on the machine and we'll test that one out. Right, just switched it on and we've got, I don't know what it would be under. I don't know what if it would even show. I mean, I'm not sure it really matters if it. Going on with it. I'm gonna go to. I've got all the classic start menu on it because it's that weird front end on it. System, is it actual hard drive, network controller, that's probably it. They're not installed yet, okay, that's fine. Tells me there's nothing there. It doesn't know what it is. 17th of the 6th, 60, yeah, that's about right. Tell me it's a Blu-ray disc because I ain't got Blu-rays on. Read me. What is this called? TLWN881ND. What bloody hell is this thing doing? Site software for the products. New versions. Oh, this is then. WN881ND. It's this here. Auto run? Am I doing it wrong? What? It's that one then. WN881ND, that's the one. What is it? Windows! What is it doing? Why is it taking all this time to do it? It's off a damn disc. It's not even coming off the disc, is it? Up on here that I don't want. That was a bit stupid. What was... Should be... Is that it? There it is. This device is working properly and it says it's the TP-Link Technologies thing, and you've got a bunch of stuff here, so you get things like advanced, yeah, you get all your stuff like you normally get on a laptop and stuff. No, don't turn that off. I hate it when it's like, it turns it off and it's like, oh, you're saving your power. No, you're just going to mess me about. I have to turn it back on again. Yeah, I'll set this up and then I'll test and see if it actually works, because it's not actually connected to the internet otherwise. So, okay, I've just put in my wireless thingy, so it should work. I've got Firefox going on here. Right, and if I go, not now, if we go like, whatever, and it's working. Yeah, that seems like that's working good.
I did it! I can quit the game now. So it's taken me about, wow, 35 minutes to do that?
Yeah.
I have a go at trying to complete the level. Got a checkpoint there. I've become
Let's try that at
a specialist at that bit of the level now. And I can't
360 now. Goes 1080 though. This screen is not 1080, but
what
yeah.
Oh, you've got to be joking me.
Wait a minute.
I'm not spending another bloody hour doing this.
Yeah.
I want the other bit back, because
That's working. That's working quite well.
Oh, no, you see what? I'm not a specialist at this anymore. Oh, shit. There's no more checkpoints. What if there's another massively hard bit after this massively hard bit?
And the most exciting thing that I haven't covered yet is the SanDisk 32 gig brand new PCI Express or USB 3. How do you get these out without? I don't know. Well, then cut it with a blunt thingy. How do you get these out? How do you get them out? I haven't bought one of these in years, to be honest. So I do something on one given machine, I can actually copy it over because I'm kind of stuck. I did think about getting a SD card converter. You can get them, but I'm like, well, why not just buy a USB 3 memory stick? I mean, I've got about 20 different slots on this, ports on this machine. So there it is, brand new. Got a little, oh, that came out or moved. Does that not move? Oh, it's just like a handle thing. Okay. SanDisk 32 gig, so we'll try it. Okay, and I stick it in the thing, and then we'll see what happens. There it is. 28.8 on it. There's something on it. What's this? More silliness. This on here for. It's got a web document, really? What software is this then? What is this?